In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Phantom wallet without having any sol in your account. Whether you're a complete beginner or just dipping your toes into the world of Solana, we'll walk you through how to start testing for free using the Phantom wallet. This is an excellent way to get comfortable with the features and functionalities before using your real funds. First things first, you'll want to locate the Phantom icon on your browser toolbar. Go ahead, click on it, and this will open up your Phantom wallet. Now, look for the settings option. It's usually represented by a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a new menu with various settings options for your wallet. What we're particularly interested in today are the developer settings. Scroll down through the options until you find it. Once you've located developer settings, click to open it. Within this menu, you'll see an option that allows you to turn on Show Test Networks. Make sure to toggle this option on. This is key because it enables the use of Solana's test networks, and that's precisely what we need for free testing. With the test networks now visible, you'll notice that you have the option to switch between different networks. Go ahead to the network dropdown, which is easily accessible within the wallet interface. From here, switch from your current network to DevNet. Think of DevNet as a simulation environment where you can test transactions, try out decentralized applications, and explore functionalities without any financial risk. Next, let's get you some test sol to start playing around with. You'll need to head over to faucet.solana.com for this step. What this website does is provide you with free test SOL, which is a type of cryptocurrency specifically for testing purposes. These are not real SOL tokens and cannot be used outside of the testing environment. On the page, you'll find a field where you can paste your wallet address. If you're unsure how to get your wallet address, just click on your wallet within Phantom, and there it is, ready to be copied. Paste your wallet address into the field on the Faucet site and go ahead to claim your free test SOL. And that's all there is to it. With these test SOL tokens now in your wallet, you're prepared to begin testing transactions, trying out different decentralized apps, and immersing yourself in the learning experience. The best part is, you're not spending any real money throughout this process, allowing you greater freedom to explore and experiment. Practice safe and practice smart. This is an excellent opportunity to familiarize yourself with the platform and expand your understanding of the decentralized financial ecosystem in a risk-free setting. Enjoy learning and experimenting with Phantom and the Solana network.